Hello, Happy New Year to you. We have come to a new year from a very unprecedented COVID year 2020. As we entered into 2021, we wanted to have some great priorities for ourselves which will benefit all the stakeholders of our business. We picked up two priorities. First one is to enhance our client experience, how the clients are able to work with us better and have a better experience of working with a world-class partner. The second priority is to have a great experience for each and every member of our staff, all our employees, so that they also have a similar experience. When we combine these two, we have a wonderful client, we have a satisfied and a happy employee, and we have a great business going for us. To do this, we actually formulated acronym called LIAI. LIAI essentially summarizes what we wish to do in the year 2021 to support the two priorities that we set for ourselves. LIAI stands for listen. Listening is very core to our values from the very beginning of the company. We want to actively listen to all stakeholders around us and be responsive to that. So we kept it as the beginning. Listen. Improve. As we listen, there is always an opportunity to improve, before we can do something significant like an innovation. So we said, let's improve first. There is, in these times, especially working with technology, we also know that there is a lot of opportunity to automate whatever we want to these days, and there is a lot of tools, technology, process, software available to help us in automation. So we said we want to also focus on automation with the letter A. So now I already covered LIA, and the next I stands for innovation. Because whenever we want to do something breakthrough, something significant, an improvement is not enough. An automation is not enough. You have to think out of the box. We need to think about solutions that we never thought about so far, and we have to think about innovative solutions. That's why we have I as a key and the last alphabet as part of the acronym LIAI. With LIAI, we plan to impact and we want to impact the client experience and our employee experience each day. We made already some progress with this idea because we started toying this idea from December 2020. For example, to improve our customer experiences, we have moved our office timing from 8:45 a.m. to 8 a.m. these days. So the whole office, we have moved advanced the time by 45 minutes to help to get closer to our clients, right? To bridge the time difference between India and Australia to some extent. The second thing that we are able to do is we actually started improving and bettering our newsletter that we offer every month. We have added many new features, many capabilities that actually connects our customers with the updates that is happening in the industry and with the updates that we offer based on our experience and what we are doing here, to help them do their work better. We also provide something called a monthly client report, which actually provides information about what the client has done with us. We actually work on a section of that, and we add more information, more useful information, and also improve the format of this monthly client report. There are many other things we are doing here, and we will do through this year, and I'm sure you will be able to see us in the experiences that we are creating in the coming months and all through 2021. At the same rate, we are also making many changes and improving many things here for the staff in office here to make their life better so that they can actually go home happily. So there are many initiatives that we have kicked off this year, including fine morning breakfast for all staff, right, in the office. So this is a commitment, this is a journey, and we are on it. Thank you for your support, thank you for your understanding, thank you very much. Happy New Year.